Posters have appeared to pay rich tributes to the martyred senior all-parties Hurriyat conference leader Muhammad Ashraf Sehari on his first martyrdom anniversary being observed in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir tomorrow. The posters displayed by different Hurriyat organizations have given call for the strike in the Kashmir Valley and other parts of the territory on May 5th, Thursday, to express solidarity with all families of Kashmiri martyrs. Senior APHC leader and Sehari-Hurriyet Jammu and Kashmir chairman Muhammad Ashraf Sehari, who challenged India's illegal hold over Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir for decades, died in Indian captivity on May 5, 2021. The Modi regime is directly responsible for his custodial death, as he was not provided with any treatment in Udhampur jail despite suffering from multiple ailments. Ashraf Sehari's son, Junaid Sehari, also attained martyrdom while fighting Indian occupation in May 2020. Meanwhile, All Parties Hurriyat Conference General Secretary Maulvi Bashir Ahmed Irfani, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said Kashmiris will continue to see martyr Muhammad Ashraf Sehari as icon of resistance against Indian occupation. Meanwhile, Indian troops continued harassment of Kashmiris, including women and children, on the second day of Eid during unrelenting cordon and search operations in the Kashmir Valley and Jammu region. The sleuths of India's notorious National Investigation Agency and State Investigation Agency also raided houses and seized mobile phones, laptops, computers, and other belongings of the citizens in the territory. Residents of Jammu staged a protest demonstration against the anti-Kashmir policies of the Modi regime in the occupied territory. The protesters raised slogans like "Return our power projects" and "Stop selling Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir's electricity to Indian states." On the other hand, Kashmiri diaspora leaders, including Dr. Ghulam Nabi Fai and Ghulam Muhammad Mir, addressing an Eid Milan party in Washington, said the people of Jammu and Kashmir want peace, but peace with dignity and honor, and aspire to chart their destiny by themselves. The function was arranged by the US-based Kashmiri community and attended by a large number of Muslim representatives from several parts of the world. Certificates were given to 24 community leaders for advocating the Kashmir cause at the corridors of power in Washington, New York, and beyond. The press freedom continues to shrink in India, the self-styled biggest democracy in the world, particularly since the fascist government under Modi has taken the reins in 2014. As per media watchdog Reporters Without Borders, India ranked 142nd in the Global Press Freedom Index in 2021, below Afghanistan and Zimbabwe. According to a study by Geeta Sishu for the Free Speech Collective, India is rapidly becoming unsafe for journalists. 67 journalists were arrested and nearly 200 physically attacked in 2020.